Beat, beat, wall clock, tick tock, tick tock. I'm a
Cooking with Uncle Pizza, Hi Russ and Robbie. Dried aged steak.
Hey, yo, dude, what you got in the refrigerator? Yeah, what you got? What you got? What you got? What you got?
Some dry aged steak. This is day two of the dry aged steak.
Day two? What are you trying to do with this steak?
So dry aging it in these bags. These bags let the oxidation still happen in the meat, but without any of the contaminants hitting it. So your meat won't spoil, but it'll still get the dry aging process. It has already happened. You see the meat turning brown, and then eventually it'll get hard. It'll form what is called pellicles on the outside of the meat. So when I cut it open, day 25, 28 is a good number. But because these are thin, I'll probably do like 25 days. I'll cut off all the pellicles, and then underneath is gonna be like a nice sliced meat, and it's gonna be tasty. Dry aged steak.
And Eric,
This is
Uncle
about
Pizza just finished cutting all the
pellicles. This is the hard stuff. The hard stuff that is like the edges, right? So it's exposed to the air. So you don't want to eat this shit because it's pretty dry.
What are we gonna season these steaks with to cook, or are you just gonna cook straight up?
Bro, we're gonna do taste test today. Okay? We'll call steak one. Steak one. It's gonna be salt and pepper and garlic powder. Okay?
Nice.
Steak two is gonna be MSG and garlic powder. Okay, steak three is gonna be Cajun seasoning that I brought from the store, and then this one's gonna be a mystery. Everybody has to guess it.
Got you.
Alright. Okay.
transition.
So
We got the what?
that's game six. So we got the Steph, we got the Clay, we got the Draymond, and so this is the mystery meat, right? So
Mystery meat.
We got Jason Tatum. We got
Tatum.
Jalen Brown. All right, transition.
depending on who wins. No hate on that machine, man. I grew up with that. I'm still alive.
Yeah, it's not a thing.
Honestly, I think it's just
It's a propaganda.
it's just a mainland. Oh my god, look at that salt there.
Yeah.
I'm a smile so warm. Smile so warm. Smile so warm when you're near me. But
This is not your friend, this is dad.
I am a smile so warm when you're near me.
So it's like soda. So you see how fine it is, and glutamate, so sugar. It's salt and sugar.
So whoever said MSG is bad and whatever.
It's made out of
I am a
seaweed.
smile.
But then again, he loves
But I am a smile, so warm when you're near me.
Making the I don't know what that was about.
You know, for me to get this footage, I'm burning my own skin for you guys to see this awesome, amazing footage.
Okay.
Okay, watch.
Salt and pepper and garlic powder. Okay. Steak one. Steak two. Not take two, steak two. This is MSG steak.
That's pretty fast.
MSG, Uncle Roger. You didn't do nothing, boy.
I remember, bro. I remember, Steak tree.
Steak tris.
Three.
Steak three.
Ooh, the finesse. We should make our own songs, though.
Yeah, no.
I am a smile, so warm when
He
you're near
overcompensates, like he works the birdie, the tomato, and this
Looks different, yeah?
Yeah, it
Everything
does.
is different.
Yeah, like it looks.
I think.
Definitely upward.
It's good.
Okay, steak two. Here it goes. This one is
Oh, that fat was good.
it's good, yeah. The fat is like
See, he knows the good stuff. They don't know the good stuff. They're like, whatever, bro.
Sorry, just like a bite. He was like, yum.
Yummy.
Oh man. This one.
Nani.
okay, MSG steak.
Steak. Let's go for it.
Okay.
Potato.
After rumors.
Here. Yeah.
Yeah, you get each piece. That's the best part, buddy.
I like the fat.
That one, baby.
Wow. Ready?
Cheers.
Hold on.
Oh.
I should just put that whole thing in.
There you go. You got it, baby. Cheers.
Oh. That's good. Nah, this one hit.
This one's smoother. Yeah, I think the sugar and the balance makes it this smooth.
It is smooth, yeah. That's a good definition. Smoother.
I mean, it hits. I mean, they're both good.
Yeah.
I think I just like MSG.
Yeah,
This
yeah,
one.
this-
I'm not gonna lie. I like MSG.
This one was definitely like the like you can taste the rock salt. There's only rock salt on it.
Yeah.
So this one had that nice little bite to it. This one just is smooth.
I'm gonna cut this one a little bit differently, so we all get a piece of fat.
Wait, oh, like, did you got that one? from
Okay.
here? Was that here?
Everybody,
Oh, I
bon
think that's
appetit.
Sora's one.
Uh-oh.
That's right. There's more, right?
Yeah, bro.
Go grab the.
Ola, you want some?
Ola, you want yours?
Yeah, you want the edge piece?
That one right there, baby.
Okay, try it. See it. And, oh, wait, go
Wait,
cheers.
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 There you go.
Wow. Potato.
Then here's the herbs.
Salty steak. I like salty steak style. This one, I think I just need a little bit more steak or salt. But it's good.
Okay, are you guys ready for this mystery?
Mystery steak.
Okay. I'm gonna cut it. The same.
Oh, Keola comes running for the mystery.
Look at the work. Look at the.
Sorry, you want juice?
Oh, it's getting over. Oh, bro.
Bro.
What the?
Sad.
Poor
Okay.
Keola's just dragging.
No, yeah, you got that one. Go ahead.
Okay, so secret seasoning.
I'm going with this big one.
Oh, good already. Ready.
Poquito.
What have you had? I like that one. Well, for me,
Much more seasoning on this one. There you go.
What is that one?
I like this one.
Brown sugar, right? Brown sugar?
It's not.
Ingredients within it.
Okay.
Oh, I know what it is.
Okay, is it a mix?
What is it? What is it?
Hold
What
on,
is
I
it?
know what
Oh,
it
yeah,
is.
that's it.
MSG. Let's get it.
And that.
Well, there's salt.
What's the
Salt.
secret?
No, I'm not right. Ah!
I'm sorry. It's truffle.
Oh.
So it comes in these cubes. It's truffle bouillon.
That's what
So it comes in these cubes. But basically, what is in it is salt, flour, vegetable oil, vegetable oil, extract of sunflower hydrolyzed proteins, whatever that means, yeast, dehydrated vegetables. So that's garlic, chives, onion, parsley, carrot, turmeric, and then truffle. Natural truffle, white truffle. Yeah, that's it.
For me personally, boom, MSG, that and that.
Yeah.
What about you guys?
Yeah, I follow the exact same.
This, MSG, this, and then the salt.
Oh, Cajun was good.
Well, the problem I have with the Cajun is that I probably should have put salt.
Oh, I see.
But it's just salt, just Cajun.
You still add it on
seasoning.
top.
The Cajun seasoning has salt, well, not that much.
You're right. This one needs a little bit of salt.
A little bit more. You can always add more though.
I actually think I have this, and then this one.
Oh, you like the regular corn
You like the regular? You don't like the MSG
I would like
one?
the aftertaste of the MSG, the way that it makes your
Yeah.
taste buds melt. But the front taste is not savory.
What about you, Robbie?
Same. No, I follow you. So definitely truffle, MSG, Hawaiian salt, and then Cajun. Just me. I like salt on my thing. Honestly, you could have put just like salt, and I would have been fine. So,
Yeah.
this was.
You're the Cajun one.
Smile so warm when you're near me. But I